Kikoff charges simple, predictable fees compared to traditional credit products, but the real confusion comes from how its membership pricing and credit building tools are structured across different plans. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how Kikoff's fee system works, what you actually pay, and where people misunderstand the real cost of using it. Start with a basic structure. Kikoff is a credit building platform, not a traditional credit card. That means you're paying for access to a credit account system that reports activity to credit bureaus, not interest-based borrowing like a normal card. Now look at the main fee type. Kikoff typically uses a monthly membership-style fee depending on the plan you choose. Instead of interest rates or annual fees like traditional credit cards, you pay a flat monthly cost to use the service. That fee is tied to the credit-building features you get access to. Next is what you actually get for that fee. Most Kikoff plans are designed to help you build credit history by reporting on-time payments and account activity to credit bureaus. The system is structured to create consistent credit reporting rather than spending flexibility. Now look at optional upgrades. Some users choose additional Kikoff features that expand credit building activity or add more account tools. These upgrades increase your monthly cost, but they also increase how much activity gets reported to credit bureaus. Next is where people get confused. Kikoff does not work like a credit card with revolving balances or interest charges in the traditional sense. That means there are no standard APR-style fees, but you still need to manage monthly payments to keep your account in good standing. Now look at the hidden cost factor. The biggest cost, with Kikoff, is not interest or penalties, it's subscription stacking if you add multiple features over time. That can slowly increase your monthly bill if you expand beyond the basic plan. Next is the key, reality. Kikoff's fee schedule is built for predictability, not flexibility. You pay a fixed monthly amount, and in return you get structured credit reporting designed to help build or improve your credit profile over time. To sum it up, Kikoff uses a simple monthly fee system instead of interest or traditional credit card charges, but your total cost depends on which features and upgrades you choose. Next step is simple. Before signing up, decide whether you only need basic credit reporting, or if you actually plan to use additional features that could increase your monthly cost. If this helped, like the video. Subscribe for more credit building breakdowns, fintech app explanations, and simple guides that make financial tools easier to understand.